Hey chemistry students, and welcome to your tutorial on half-life. I'm going to go through a problem today using both methods we learned in class, so the table method and using the half-life equation. So here's our example. Sodium-22 has a half-life of 2.6 years. And we are asked what mass of 72.5 grams of sodium-22 will remain after 7.8 years. So our first step is figuring out that at time equals 0, or in the beginning, how much did we have? What was our initial mass? And we started with 72.5 grams. So using the table form, remember that as you go down on this side, we add a half-life. And on this side, as we go down, we are dividing by 2. So my half-life is 2.6. So what I'm going to do now is divide 72.5 by 2. And when I do, I get 36.25. Now I'm going to keep going because I'm asked to go until 7.8 years. So now I'm going to add another half-life. So 2.6 plus 2.6 is 5.2. Now I'm going to divide this number by 2, and I get 18.125 grams. So I'm not quite finished yet. I'm going to add another half-life, so 7.8, and I'm going to divide how much I have at this point. My final answer is 9.0625, but you can leave it as 9.06 grams. Alright, so that answered our question. Now we're going to do the other method, which is using the half-life equation. So in this equation, this Y is your final amount. A is your starting amount, so what you started with or your initial mass. So we started with 72.5 grams. Now we're going to multiply that by 1/2 to the power of time elapsed divided by half-life. So 7.8 divided by my half-life, which was 2.6. Now I'm going to clear this up a little bit, make it a little nicer. So 7.8 divided by 2.6 gives me 3. So now I have the number of half-lives that actually occurred. So now I'll just simply plug this into my calculator. So 72.5 times 1/2 raised to the 3rd power. And I get as my answer 9.0625 grams. Right? Thank you for stopping by and watching. Don't forget to keep practicing on your own.